neat. There.
Anthony, I'll see first. Close your eyes. I'm seeing first.
No, you're not supposed to look. Alright, go. Yo, that's cool.
Wait, that's actually sick.
It's like slime inside. That's actually cool.
It's actually sick. It's like slime inside. It doesn't have any air in it.
Alright, you ready?
I get to see first.
Don't say any words.
Okay.
Ah. Ooh.
You got the glow in the dark one.
Glow in the dark?
Yes.
Oh, yay. Wait, let me see.